Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can connect two phones via Bluetooth to your JBL waterproof Bluetooth speaker. So right now I've got these both paired up to here, but we'll delete this one in a minute and I'll take you through the process. But check this out. This is useful if you're at a party, barbecue, etc. and two people want to control the music on a device. So if you have a listen to this, right now that's coming through here. You can see when I do the volume here, it's going up here. And then if I press play on this one, it will automatically go onto this one. And again, you can now see the volumes here. And then we can go back to here again. And you can swap between them. So I'm going to delete the pairing from this one now, and I'll take you through how to pair it up. So this phone's still connected, this one is no longer connected. All you have to do is hold down the Bluetooth button for a couple of seconds and it will make that noise and it will start flashing because it's now in pairing mode. We now need to go into the Bluetooth menu of the device you want to connect, and we've got an option down here to connect to it. We're going to go to pair, and now this phone will be connected. But if I was to play here, it's now coming onto this device. So we need to reconnect on this one here. So again, I'm going to go down, I'm going to go into the Bluetooth, and I'm going to go onto here and it will say connecting. And now we're at the same level we were at the beginning. So if I'm on here, I can go to play and it's coming through here. And I can go to here and it will take over.
First of all, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Then I'm going to show you how to turn it on.
So it's a nice, easy way for two people to control the music on the speaker. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.